So, nandito na ako ngayon sa bahay nila. Ngayong araw, we decided to go on a date kasi I got busy the past months and yeah, because I lost my two grandma and they died 3 weeks apart kaya na busy ako and yeah, today we're going on a date. We're going to so we're going to our favorite place dito sa Coronadal. Yep, this is it. This is the coffee project. What I love about this place is the ambience. It's so chilly, elegant, and it's not noisy. And of course, also their food. Sobrang sarap ng foods nila dito. So come with us, let's go inside. So here, look at this place. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda ng ambience dito. And look, walang masyadong tao and it's, yeah, which is nice. Kasi malayo tayo sa COVID like that. Yeah. So here's what you can order here. Meron silang cakes and also beverages and also coffees, frappuccinos, and also meals like that, sandwiches and pastas. And meron din silang ganito na parang sa Starbucks. And yep. So here, naka-order na kami, and in order namin is carbonara and chicken parmigiana. And here they accepting Paymaya, and they also accepting Leica gems. So now we're waiting for our food.
Won't say hi.
Hi. Say hi to my vlog. Did you order from? Wow. Sarap na sa'yo. Okay.
So I ordered the chicken parmigiana and the taste is so familiar. Para siyang yung sauce niya, parang yung binibili ko sa Whole Foods sa US na sauce para sa pasta. Oh, it's so yummy. And nasarapan din yung boyfriend ko kaya we ordered more. So, mamaya after we finish eating, pupunta kami dito sa All Homes kasi may bibilhin ako dyan. And yeah, see, here, they're accepting like a gym. So here, let me show you their comfort room. Here, as you can see, sobrang linis. And the good thing here is the smell. It's so good, like, para kang nasa spa. So, we're done eating. It's time to go to the All Homes. Kasi may bibilhin ako for my room. And yeah, chair and shelves like that. So, if you guys want to decorate your room, this is the perfect place to go to. Yeah. Yeah, this is a perfect place to go to if you want to decorate your room kasi nandito na lahat yung kinds of cabinets like that, all the glasses, all the curtains like that. Like, see? Ang cute ng mga cabinets nila dito, guys. But, it's a little bit pricey nga lang. Here, meron ding mirror. And ito, sobrang cute nila. Look! Oh my God. So, here I'm now buying my shelves. You'll see later kung ano yung kalalabasan ng project na to sa kwarto ko. So, here we are again. Before kami uuwi, daan naman kami dito sa coffee project para bumili ng frappuccinos. Kasi, ang sarap din ng coffee nila dito and all the beverages. And I recommend buying the butterscotch, which I lagi kong ino-order. Like ngayon. And matcha naman yung gustong-gusto ng boyfriend ko dito. So, yeah, sobrang sarap. So, now, pauwi na kami. Ihatid ko siya sa kanila. Then, siya naman ang pupunta sa bahay namin. I'm now home. Ito yung bahay namin. If you want a house tour, just comment down below. So, So, nakadating na ako dito sa bahay namin. So, dadalhin ko kayo sa loob ng aming bahay. So, guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay namin. And my kwarto is a little mess right now. So, nakagawa na ako ng room tour before. Kung gusto mong panoorin yun, ilalagay ko yung link doon sa comment box. Ngayon, pinapalagay ko na yung shelves kay Papa. So, here's the final result. Oh my goodness! Sobrang ganda niya. And, gustong-gusto ko yung nakikita ko yung gamit ko. Kasi pag hindi ko nakikita, parang nakakalimutan ko na may ganito ako, may ganyan pala ako, ganon. So, mas mabuti nang nakikita ko siya. Now, I'm in the car again kasi nagaya ang ate ko mag-milk tea. We didn't go far na kasi papunta na yung boyfriend ko sa bahay. There he is. I love you. Thank you for today, Mr. Ko.